Welcome back, guys. Today you will see episodes about close call and near-hit situations. How often do you see something like this on the road, and how can this be avoided? Write in the comments. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Happened at the intersection of Lebanon Pike and Spence Lane in Nashville, Tennessee. It was just another idiot that believes everyone should get out of his way. He probably believes he always has the right of way. Only God knows. A driver tailgating my daughter decides it's time to pass at the worst possible time. Very close call. Blinded by the sun, but the collision avoidance warning saved my butt. Montreal, Canada. Driver in a Tundra does illegal lane change to turn left and almost clip my car. Near miss northbound on Los Feliz at Brunswick in Atwater Village, Los Angeles, California. Car came out of gas station making a right turn into the inner lane where another driver was coming up behind. The second driver had to swerve to the left to avoid a collision. Witnessed a collision on Military Highway in Norfolk, Virginia, USA. Allentown, Pennsylvania driver just pulled back on the road afterwards. No damage.
Quick, so I suggest you sit back.
That's fine. Yeah. Because people want to stick with the same people. They don't care. I mean, a decent amount of time they don't care. What do you want, Riley?
The storms have already started to get moving, and people, the homes that were flooded before, those aren't going to be repaired. So there's things to, at least think about for those individuals.
My best friend, including.
Yeah. Alan, we.
Bro, if I didn't fucking...
Close call with a Cadillac at Collegedale, Tennessee. I don't know if he's drunk or what, but this is probably the time when you wish you could see their license plate. But this was very close in getting into an accident.
the fuck are you doing?
Continue straight.
Holy.
In 1,000 feet, your destination.
Always look both ways before crossing. Seconds make a difference. There is an elderly man who did not look before switching lane. I again did not lock up the brakes, because if I did, the car would eat the wall. I got super close to the wall. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. What episode do you remember most? Write in the comments.